You're interested in becoming a psychiatric technician in California, this video will guide you through the steps. Psychiatric technicians play a crucial role in helping individuals with mental health conditions in various settings. Here's what you need to know. Understanding the role. Psychiatric technicians work closely with healthcare professionals to provide care for individuals with mental health conditions. This includes observing and recording behaviors, administering medication, and assisting with daily activities. Daily responsibilities. As a psychiatric technician, your tasks may include monitoring vital signs, administering medication, assisting in crisis intervention, facilitating group therapy, and helping with personal care. Skills needed. To succeed, you'll need emotional intelligence, communication skills, keen observation, patience, resilience, and problem-solving abilities. Educational requirements. To become a psychiatric technician in California, you must complete an approved training program covering psychology, behavioral health, nursing, pharmacology, and therapeutic interventions. Licensing and certification. After completing your training, you need to apply for licensure from the California Board of Vocational Nursing and Psychiatric Technicians, BVNPT. Certification, while not mandatory, can enhance your credentials. Job outlook and salary. The demand for psychiatric technicians in California is growing, with an average annual wage starting in the $70,000. The job market is favorable, given the increasing awareness of mental health. Advancement opportunities. Psychiatric technicians can advance through further education, pursuing roles like psychiatric nurse or mental health counselor. Advancement within organizations is possible, leading to supervisory roles or healthcare administration. Teaching opportunities and training programs are also available for those passionate about sharing their knowledge.